Alright, today I'm going to be unboxing the Milwaukee M12 half-inch high torque impact and the M12 3/8 ratchet kit. Got this from Home Depot. So, let's see. Oh. There's the box. Toss that over there. It all comes in a bag. Inside of the bag we got an operator's manual. Another operator's manual. The half-inch impact wrench. Now this one I believe is 480 foot-pounds of torque compared to another style that they have, which is like 1,000 foot-pounds of torque or something crazy. I've got the higher one already. Alright. Also, we got this little ratchet, 3/8. An M18 battery. Doesn't come too charged. Kind of gives off a little bit of a smell at first, but I'm sure that'll go away. I could tell you right off the bat though, this isn't as good as the other one, the higher torqued one. M12 battery with the ratchet. And you can lock it right there. You could use it like a regular ratchet, I guess. This would probably be handy if you have to get in a corner somewhere and loosen a bolt or tighten a bolt or something. Alright. And it also comes with a battery charger. For the M18 and the M12. Just go on there just like that. Alright, and there you have it. Oh, look, it also has a little I can't talk. Adapter. To go down to a quarter drive. It's kind of handy. I mean, look at the kind of how it works. So yeah, that's what the kit comes with. Not bad. There's a Black Friday deal going on right now. I think I got all this for less than $200. I do recommend the higher torque one. I'm not sure if any of these are brushless. Generally, Milwaukee is brushless, but they would also say brushless on the back generally. I don't know if anyone in the comments want to say whether or not these are brushless. I could also add an update to tell you guys whether or not these are brushless. Also, let's just look real quick, see if... Oh. Tell me how much torque this has. I'll grab the box real quick. Okay, yeah, there we go. So the impact has, where did I see that? 450 foot-pounds of torque, which is pretty impressive. And then this one here has 35 foot-pounds of torque. But again, they make another one a lot better. It's a 1/2-inch impact as well, and I use that all the time at work. But that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think of these products if you have them already, and I'll see you next time.